Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Toyota takes the gold in terms of both safety and performance, whereas we have given the nod to Hyundai in terms of features and affordability. The fact that these contests have been so close is a testament to the workmanship and reliability that you'll find in both Hyundai and Toyota models.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The short answer is that they are very reliable. There is very little question about Hyundai's dependability, and this is backed up by reports dating back several years. Looking at past reports for Hyundai reliability, it's hard to find a negative word said about the brand or the vehicles that it produces.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Hyundai recalls over 400,000 cars for issue that could cause engine fires. Hyundai is recalling nearly 430,000 small cars because water can get into the anti-lock brake computer, cause an electrical short and possibly an engine fire.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Best Hyundai cars in India, new and used. Hyundai Santro. The second Get Hyundai Santro was launched late last year and find itself slotted below the Grand i10 in the company's product portfolio. Hyundai Verna, Hyundai Grand i10, Hyundai Elite i20, Hyundai Creta, Hyundai Elantra.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Hyundai cars are smooth drives if maintained well, but a single service can cost around 6K-10K depending on the work you are doing, oil change, filter change, etc. The spare parts are a bit expensive, so to maintain the car in top form by taking good care will help in the long run.
Take our lead.
Hyundai's resale value is best described as middle of the road. Not the worst, but nothing to write home about either. The Hyundai Tucson does finish above average at 5 and 7 years, and the Elantra is slightly ahead at year 7 as well.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
In September 2015, Hyundai was compelled to recall 470,000 model year My 2011 and 2012 Sonatas to prevent engine failures and fires. In March 2017, Hyundai expanded the recall to include 572,000 My 2013-2014 Sonata and Santa Fe Sport vehicles, also with the Theta 2 engine.
Take our lead.
By comparison, Hyundai's average cost was $313, while GM was the least expensive at $305 in repair costs per visit. Overall, average repair costs jumped a whopping 18% from last year's report. The most common repair is to fix a faulty oxygen sensor, which can cause a car's check engine light to go on.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
HMMA produces engines for Sonata and Elantra sedans and the Santa Fe crossover utility vehicle. HMMA's 2 engine plants are capable of producing approximately 700,000 engines per year to support the vehicle production at both HMMA and Kia Motors Manufacturing Georgia in West Point, Georgia.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Hyundai owns 33.88% of Kia. In 2011, Hyundai sold 4.05 million cars worldwide, and the Hyundai Motor Group was the world's fourth-largest automaker behind GM, Volkswagen and Toyota. Hyundai vehicles are sold in 193 countries through some 5,000 dealerships.
Take our lead.
According to YouGov, Hyundai ranks as the 13th most famous car maker, particularly favored by millennials, and is known for its affordability and reliability. RepairPal puts the Hyundai maintenance cost at $468 per year, depending on vehicle age, mileage, location, and shop.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.